Hi viewers, welcome to Java Latte and Jesus Time. I will be singing True Love of Everglow. This song is about self-care and just spending time with your girls. So that's what this song is about. Happy Valentine's Day, because it is the day of Valentine's Day and we can have a fun Valentine's Day even though we are single. If you are going to be single, treat yourself to a self-care day. True love can often become everglow. I just want to spend time with myself. I will always be there for myself. Oh, I will have a self-care day. Ooh, girl, glam up. Let's have a fun girl day. True love can often become everglow. I just want to spend time with myself. I will always be there for myself. I will have a self-care day. Well, thank you. That was my song, True Love of Everglow. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share this video because it really helps support my channel. Thank you and happy Valentine's Day. Hello, and welcome to Love Some Blush Podcast. So, Love Some Blush Podcast is a fun podcast where we talk about makeup, and it's just fun to discuss makeup with on my podcast. And so the makeup essentials that you need for makeup are eyeshadow, face primer. You definitely need eyeshadow. So eyeshadow is a cream, it comes in a cream or powder in one of various colors. Apply eyeshadow using a eyeshadow brush before mascara. So eyeliner, you need eyeliner or brow pencil. That also helps with makeup. Mascara, it's used to make eyelashes longer. Lipstick is a waxy solid used to darken or lighten lips. Lip gloss, it's something that I just enjoy wearing. It's just so meaningful. And lip gloss is glossy. It has that shine to it, and it has a glossy finish. So next we have a concealer. So concealer is like flesh tones. So it matches your face. So when you go to the makeup store, you need to shop for the concealer that matches your skin tone. So for example, what not to do when shopping for concealer or foundation is you don't want a too dark color. You want a color that matches your skin tone and looks perfect and looks great. And if you go to Sephora, they can do makeup and match your skin tone with the foundation. And then once you are ready to buy the foundation and your makeup, just go to the cashier and check out. So next on the list is bronzer. Bronzer is a liquid or powder applied to skin to give it color or shine, also to give the appearance of a suntan. So that also is what bronzer is. Blush comes in cream or powder. And that's also what's very helpful. So it is a cosmetic for coloring cheeks in a variety of shades, lips, and can also be a cream. So the different makeup tools are, let me see. So I made a list of makeup tools and essentials that you need for applying makeup. So you need a powder brush, foundation brush, bronzer, bronzer brush, concealer, eyeshadow, contouring, and concealer brush, and a concealer blemish brush, and contour brush. So those are just a list of essentials that you need for your makeup. And there will definitely be more podcasts that I will be showing up on YouTube, and I will also be in the OnAmp app too. So that's like a radio app for the media, and it's just so fun. So I am happy that we can be making this podcast, and stay tuned and have a safe and blessed day. Thank you. Preston, who I love, my baby, I love you. This was the world, that was just a seed. I thought infection is cosmic. We built the flames to control creation, and now creation is rewriting us. Then what are we supposed to do? Hold on, I gotta redo that. Adapt the cosmic signal. Then what are we supposed to do? Oh, we need to see clearer now. No longer a fractured universe. Then what are we supposed to do now? Activate the damaged console that used to be fractured, but no longer fractured. We are living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, in the ruins of lifestyle. Oh, a group of surviving scientists. Oh, they sift through wreckage. Oh, this world was just a seed. We contemplate on what we are supposed to do. Adapt, adapt to the life that we are worth living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, what was I supposed to do with my life? Flash before my eyes. I rescued Millie. She is my best friend. I love you, sweet baby girl. My baby, sweet little fluffy. You are my light. You are my best friend. Oh, Millie, baby, I love you, my sweet girl, and my precious Preston, who I love, my baby, I love you. This was the world, that was just a seed. I thought infection is cosmic. We built the flames to control creation, and now creation is rewriting us. Then what are we supposed to do? Hold on, I gotta redo that. Adapt the cosmic signal. Then what are we supposed to do? Oh, we need to see clearer now. No longer a fractured universe. Then what are we supposed to do now? Activate the damaged console
rewriting us, then what are we supposed to do? Hold on, I gotta redo that. Adapt the cosmic signal, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, we need to see clearer now, no longer a fractured universe. Then what are we supposed to do now? Activate a damaged console that used to be fractured but no longer fractured. We are living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, in the ruins of lifespan. Oh, a group of surviving scientists. Oh, they saved through wreckage. Oh, this world was just a seed. We contemplate on what we are supposed to do. Adapt, adapt to the life that we are worth living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, what was I supposed to do with my life? Flashed before my eyes. I rescued Millie. She is my best friend. I love you, sweet baby girl. My baby, sweet little fluffy. You are my light. You are my best friend. Oh, Millie, baby, I love you, my sweet girl, and my precious Preston, who I love, my baby, I love you. This was the world that was just a seed, but the infection is cosmic. We built the flames to control creation, and now creation is rewriting us. Then what are we supposed to do? Hold on, I gotta redo that. Adapt the cosmic signal. Then what are we supposed to do? Oh, we need to see clearer now, no longer a fractured universe. Then what are we supposed to do now? Activate a damaged console that used to be fractured but no longer fractured. We are living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, in the ruins of lifespan. Oh, a group of surviving scientists. Oh, they saved through wreckage. Oh, this world was just a seed. We contemplate on what we are supposed to do. Adapt, adapt to the life that we are worth living. Oh, then what are we supposed to do? Oh, what was I supposed to do with my life? Flashed before my eyes. I rescued Millie. She is my best friend. I love you, sweet baby girl. My baby, sweet little fluffy. You are my light. You are my best friend. Oh, Millie, baby, I love you, my sweet girl, and my precious Preston, who I